Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create shortcuts in Flow Launcher step by step. Creating shortcuts can help you launch your favorite apps, files, folders, and commands even faster, making your daily workflow much more efficient. So let's get started. First, open Flow Launcher on your Windows computer using its default keyboard shortcut, or launch it from the Start menu. Once the launcher opens, click the Settings icon to access the configuration options. From there, explore the available plugins and customization settings that support shortcuts and quick actions. Next, if you want to create a shortcut for an application or folder, make sure it's indexed by Flow Launcher so it appears in the search results. You can also adjust plugin priorities to ensure your most frequently used items appear at the top whenever you type their names. For more advanced shortcuts, install or enable plugins that support custom commands, aliases, or quick actions. Some plugins allow you to assign short keywords that instantly open a website, launch a program, or perform a specific task with just a few keystrokes. After configuring your shortcuts or aliases, save the changes if required and return to the Flow Launcher search box. Type the shortcut keyword you've created and press Enter to test it. If everything is set up correctly, the associated application, folder, or command should launch immediately. Take a little time to customize shortcuts for the tools and locations you use most often. Doing this can save several clicks every day and make Flow Launcher even more useful as part of your daily routine. And that's it. You now know how to create shortcuts in Flow Launcher and use them to access your favorite apps and commands more quickly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.